There is a powerful system, and its inspiration originates from aerospace science and technology. Qixiangxiang HVLS Industrial Ceiling Fan, Direct Drive PMSSM Series. A cool feeling can be realized not only by cooling, but also by air movement. Traditional cooling methods, such as task air conditioning, water curtain system, negative pressure blower, or water cooling blower, they do not have a good performance but at a higher cost, thus they are not used widely. Moreover, the oscillating fan, which are generally used on the wall or ground, have the disadvantages of short lifespan or small air coverage. And large amount of oscillating fans are needed, then result in space occupation and passageways blocking. These fans are noisy, make people dizzy when long-term operation, also with the safety hazards such as being tripped by electric wires and electric shock, and finally affect the safety production. Studies show that when the working temperature exceeds 29.4 degrees Celsius, the production efficiency decreases by 18% and error rate increases by 40%. HVLS Industrial Ceiling Fan provides a new solution for air circulation and resolves the perennial problem of your working environment. It is urgent to provide a safe and comfortable working condition for your employees when facing serious problems of safety production, labor shortage or personnel drain, etc. HVLS Industrial Ceiling Fan accelerates air circulation and convection on a large scale by stirring plenty of indoor air. Truly eliminates stuffiness, creates a healthy and comfortable working condition, contributes to energy conservation and emission reduction and operation cost control, and enhances tangible benefits for employees. Revolution comes together with combination of military background technology and the application permanent magnet brushless motor. Qixiang team researches and develops a new series of gearless direct drive permanent magnet synchronous servo, PMSSM, HVLS ceiling fan, and 3-year in advance to lead technology in this industry, and with the core features of high quality, reliability, and safety. Permanent magnet synchronous servo motor, smart frequency control unit, unique blade airfoil design, Qixiang Gearless Direct Drive PMSSM HVLS ceiling fan features high volume and low speed to generate level 1 to 3 dynamic natural wind and cover the diameter of 40 to 50 meters and make the occupant feel 3 to 5 degrees Celsius cooler and meet the falling sleep standard operation of 38 decibels. It guarantees a healthy and comfortable working environment and improves the productivity and makes full use of the space to be safe and efficient. It is not only airflow, but also the cash flow. The 3 problems solved by Gearless Direct Drive PMSSM HVLS ceiling fan comparing to gearbox type HVLS industrial ceiling fan. 1. Reduce noise level to be below 39 decibels instead of loud noise above 60 decibels. 2. Gearless oil-free zero maintenance instead of quick wearing and moving parts and gear reducer and oil leakage. 3. The risk of falling off of broken blades. The differences between Gearless Direct Drive PMSSM HVLS ceiling fan and gearbox type HVLS industrial ceiling fan. Currently, many domestic leading enterprises in the fields of machinery manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, logistics storage, e-commerce warehouse, and large-scale public places are actively applying this cooling solution.
奇翔起源于智能物流装备的制造，专注工业大风向的研发与设计，以独有的技术引领行业创新发展，始终注重以技术创新为己任。 以客户利益为依归的经营理念，坚持走绿色风扇之路，打智慧风扇之牌， 26路作业环境选骐翔，骐翔工业大风扇，中国工业大风扇的引领者。